In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Chromebook with USB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two main ways to connect a PlayStation 4 controller to any device. The main one is going to be through USB, and the alternative is through Bluetooth. So I'm going to showcase how you can easily use a USB connection. I'm going to talk briefly about Bluetooth later, but for a USB connection, all that you need is a micro USB to USB cable. So it is going to be a standard USB-A cable, and it goes into micro USB. Of course, the micro USB end is going to go into the controller, and the other end goes into your Chromebook. So if you look at the back of the DualShock 4, you will see the port available here right below the light bar. So you plug the micro USB end of the cable into the DualShock 4 controller, aka the PlayStation 4 controller, and the USB-A end goes into the Chromebook, so your PC or laptop. So immediately upon establishing this connection, the controller will be recognized and it will be usable on any compatible game. If you are running Steam, you can use Steam input to set up your controller, and it will work right away when you open any game with full controller support. If it is detected but it doesn't work in a specific game, the problem is usually attributed to the game that you are trying to play. Not all games will have native support, so keep that in mind. But as long as you play a game that has controller support, it will work immediately, and all that you have to do is ensure that the cable that you are using works. If you try to connect but the controller is not detected, try swapping out the cable that you are using to ensure that the problem is not with the cable. And if another cable works, then you are good to go. If all cables that you try do not work, it could be a problem with the controller. You will have to try it out on different devices to determine where the problem lies. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Chromebook with USB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.